Good morning, it's me Mark again, and today papakita ko sa inyo ang steps on how to post ads on group pages. Right, step 1, log into your Facebook account. So as you can see, ako nakapag-login na ako. Then step 2, go to this page and save the pictures to your computer. Just press Ctrl on your keyboard, then click on the link. Alright, then you need to save these two pictures. Just click on the picture, the first picture, and then wait. Okay, let me set this one. Alright, there we go. So right click on the picture, select save image as, then click on desktop, click new folder, name the folder as group posting, and then double click on it. Then the file name is number one. Then click on save. Click the arrowhead for the next photo. Right click on it, save image as, then number 2, save, then close it, go back to our document, again press Ctrl, then click on the next link, Ctrl, then click. Alright, so what we need to do now is the download natin yung group template. So click mo lang yung download. It's a Word document of andun nakasave yung template kung anong ipopost natin sa groups. Okay? So pag natapos ng na-download, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus J. Ctrl J. And then right click on group, then click on open containing folder. Okay? So look for group document, right click on it, and then select mo yung cut, then i-close mo tong window na to. Close mo din yan, and then minimize, paste mo sa desktop yung document. Alright, so remember gumawa tayo ng folder kanina, so we need to move this document inside the folder. So right click on it, hold, then drag para ma-move siya sa folder, or malipat natin siya sa loob ng folder. Okay, so next step, open the folder, open the group file and document, i-open mo lang yan, and then as you can see, meron dito insert your link here. So you need to replace that one with your link, yung link ng note or sales note or page na ginawa natin. Okay, so paano gawin yun? Let's go back to our Facebook account, then let's go to our timeline. Just click on your profile picture, then hover your mouse pointer on more, and then select notes. Okay, so yan, makikita mo dyan yung note na ginawa mo. So i-open mo lang yan, double click, and then click the link on the address bar, then right click on it, then copy. And let's go back to our document para ilagay natin yung link ng ating note or sales note or sales page. Right, double check, right click on the link, copy, then paste. Select mo muna yung insert your link here, highlight mo, tapos saka mo i-paste. So right click, then paste para mapalitan siya ng link. Don't forget to save this file or document. Okay, now since we already have the template, we already have the picture, now the next step would be posting on group pages na. So paano ba yan? Let's go to our homepage, Facebook homepage, and then on the left hand side of your screen, may makikita kang list ng groups na nakasali ka na. So gawin mo lang, yung mouse pointer mo, i-hover mo sa groups para lumabas yung more na word, M-O-R-E. Alright, then click on that word, more, para lalabas yung list ng groups na nasalihan mo na. Right? So if you already have a list, scroll it down, magsimula ka mag-post sa pinakababa ng list, at the end of the list. Okay, so right click mo lang yung name ng group, then open link in new tab. Do the same on the next group. Okay, so as we all know, ang target natin is 10 groups in the morning and 10 groups sa gabi. So for this video, magpo-post lang ako sa 3 groups, okay? Okay, so let me go to the groups now. Okay, so open your document. Under for group wall, may content dyan, copy mo lang lahat. Okay, right click, copy, and then here on the box, right click, and then paste. Okay, so now let's add photo. Dadagdag natin yung pictures na dinownload natin kanina. So click on add photo, click on upload pictures or photos, then wait, alright, there we go. So remember yung folder na ginawa natin sa desktop. Okay, balik tayo dun. So click on desktop. Ano na nga ulit yung folder na yun? It's group, right? Group tutorials. Group posting. There. Click mo lang, i-open natin yung group posting folder. So we need to upload number 1 and number 2 na picture. So para ma-select natin yung dalawa, all we have to do is press and hold control. Tsaka mo i-click yung number 1 and number 2 pictures. Okay, then open. Tapos hintayin mo lang na mag-load or ma-upload yung dalawang pictures na yan. Then after that, click on post. Okay, there we go. So click on the first picture para malagyan natin siya ng description. Okay. Remember, go back to the document and then below for description, copy mo yung content, copy, add description, paste. Done editing. Click mo lang yung arrowhead para sa next picture. Add description. And i-paste mo ulit yung kinapi natin. So, ganyan lang kasimple. Okay, so gagawin ko ulit. Then, panoorin mo na lang. So, sa ganitong paraan, sa strategy na to, ang kalaban mo lang is multitasking. Kasi marami kang i-open na tabs, files, pictures, and then windows. So, at first, mahirapan ka talaga, pero later on, pag araw-araw mo siyang ginagawa, sisiw na lang yan para sa'yo. Kasi sa akin, as of now, ginagawa ko lang to Facebook group posting in 10 minutes. Or below 10 minutes pa. So, makaka-discover ka rin ng paraan kung paano mo mapapadali yung pag-post mo sa groups. Okay? So, remember again na yung number of groups na i-open natin every day para mag-post ng ads is 20. 10 sa umaga and 10 naman sa gabi. Para mas malaki yung chance na marami yung makakakita sa ng ating ads. And if maraming makakita ng ads, meaning maraming chance or marami tayong magiging prospects. Alright, so I believe tapos na tayo sa posting. And thank you for watching this video. And sana may natutunan kayo and sana i-apply nyo yung natutunan nyo. So thank you.